Hello everyone, so I am here with just a random video. I want to talk in Nepali only आज चाहिँ किनभने चाहिँ I want to ask one question to you all because more recently I went to Jharkhand है म त्यहाँ जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ this question was asked to everyone who has went to Jharkhand है हामीले सोध्नु भएको थियो एकजना सरले what was question भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ who are you तपाई को हो It's not that my name is Geeta Chitra and I am from this and that. Not that. तपाईं how would you describe yourself? तपाईं को हो र आफूले आफूलाई कसरी describe गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? That was the question which was asked and I was numb for 1 minute. Who am I? I was thinking म को हो मलाई याद छैन म कसरी भन्नु I was feeling that so from that I got to know that हामीले आफ्नो बारेमा पनि धेरै कुछ जान्नु पर्छ भनेर चाहिँ like then from that day I am trying to learn about myself